This absolutely beautiful country estate is perfectly nestled near Cherry Hills Country Club. Comfort and style describe the family room with wood beams across the ceiling, a cozy fireplace, and built-in storage. The gourmet kitchen treats you to granite countertops, a cooktop center island, and a sun-filled eat-in space. This home is custom-built to please the most discerning buyer with beautiful walnut-inlaid floors and flooded with sunlight through a vast amount of windows throughout. The dining room is dressed in elegance with a gorgeous chandelier, a large picture window, and the warmth of a fireplace. Another one of the 5 total fireplaces in this home can be found in the living room, with easy access to the outdoors. A sophisticated and handsome den shows off stunning built-ins. A true entertainer's delight, this home features a theater room and a great space for a pool table in the partially finished lower level. Your own private retreat awaits you in the vaulted master suite with a luxurious spa-like master bath. With way too many exquisite and amazing qualities to mention, call Rita Harding today about this 7-bedroom, 9-bath home in Cherry Hills Village.